Hi, I'm Madhur Pol. I'm an avid cricket fan, and I've been playing cricket like every weekend, like for the past many years. However, a couple of years ago, I had an incident while playing. While batting, I got a bouncer, and the season ball hit my face. Apart from bruising my mouth area, it shattered my right canine. And the bruises, with a couple of stitches, it was fine, but the broken tooth was quite problematic. I could not eat, I could not drink anything cold. It was quite painful, and even whenever I opened my mouth, I could see that tooth. It was quite disturbing. My confidence kind of took a setback. So I was quite confused regarding the matter as to what I should do regarding that. I told my friend who recommended me to Dr. Darshan Vora, who he said specialized in dental implants. Now I was quite skeptical about this whole dental implants thing, but I decided to give it a shot. When I saw the clinic, the state-of-the-art clinic, and the really helpful staff, it gave me a very positive vibe, and it got further strengthened when I met doctor. When I met him for the consultation, it was like the counseling was very elaborate. He drew diagrams, he explained how the procedure works, he showed me clippings of the whole thing, a lot of pictures, a lot of movie clips, and explained how the whole procedure works, the time it takes, the cost involved, and the options that I have while going for it. And I knew he knows what he's talking about, and I'm not going to be taken for a ride. So that kind of instilled a lot of confidence in me, and I decided to go ahead with the procedure. The procedure itself was as flawless as he claimed it would be. Really good, really smooth. And it's been a couple of years, and it's been zero problems. It's been really, really good. I've been playing cricket, I've been doing everything, I've been continuing with my normal life. In fact, I have difficulty remembering which tooth it was, right canine or the left canine. It's been that good. So if it comes to dental implants, or for that matter any dental procedure, I would strongly vouch for Dr. Darshan Vora from Vora Dental Clinic. All your problems will be taken care of. Very smooth. Thank you.